Six.
Do what? Oh, my name's Tim Lowe. I used Mike with Mom and Dad's house. I've heard his tell what they do for probably 20 times, and every time he told it, I thought, that can't work, that's too good to be true. And then I decided I'm going to move. He gave him a call, and I'll find out for sure, and he comes over to the house, he tells us all this spiel again, talks about what they're going to do, and pretty much everything he said worked exactly the way he said it. My house needed a lot of repairs and a lot of work, and I figured I was never going to do it because I had the money to fix it up, and they bought it as is for about what it, we had some comps done on it, and they gave exactly what they said. I was going to take 20 grand less than they were going to offer, but he came back at what I wanted, the exact amount. I don't know how he figured out what I wanted, but he came back exactly what I wanted, and it all worked out. We closed in a couple of weeks. I stayed a week later than I needed to after closing. You're going to think it's too good to be true, but everything they said worked exactly like they said. Great experience, sold the house, easiest house sale we've ever had.